Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino, checking in on gold. Let's actually jump to the daily chart real quick. So yesterday just closing slightly below our 189.78 level. Today gapping up, running into our cluster area of 192.39 to 193.42. Leaving the gap behind. So if we start trading below today's low, 190.62, I'm going to be watching for a return to the prior day's close, 189.59. Major support, I'll go down to 4 hour in a second, but major support on the daily coming in about 186 with the rising rotation zone, this prior area of resistance that it just broke out from. So let me drop that 4 hour now. And here you go, 4 hour, you can watch the rotation zone with this key 4 hour close right there, about 188. I'm going to just round up to about 188.30. So that's the first area of support on the 4 hour if it pulls back. It still looks like it could be setting up for a divergence play on the 4 hour. Remember, we can have multiples of those in a row, but it's a warning sign to me to aggressively move up stops because we could get a pullback, especially with how far away we are from the rotation zone. It never reconnected. Silver reconnected with the rotation zone. Gold did not. You can also check out the silver video. And by the way, if you're new here, please subscribe, please ring the bell, please share our content, please do whatever you can to help this channel grow. Major support on the daily all the way back down to 179 area, but you see there's that major gap in there too. So if something happened, then things, when they get drastically overbought, can always pull back pretty rapidly. That'd be the area I watch. There's no signs for that yet, but we do have a potential 4 hour divergence, which could mean a pause at least. So that's what we'll be watching for in the coming days. So we have for you on gold, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.